Hey guys, welcome to my living room. Whitney and I get a lot of questions with people sending pictures asking how do I lay my living room out, what should I do first? And our number one rule is living rooms have to be livable. We have 10 kids between us, so there's not a thing in this room that we don't expect to be used by those kids.
Every single day.
Every
hour of the day.
Exactly. So the first step that we say is defining your space, figuring out what's going to be your focal point and really what your layout's going to be. And I had no choice for this room to make my focal point be my massive fireplace. It sticks out about 4 feet into the room, so I really had to center everything around that. I did build this mantle. We've got free plans on our website, and everything that we're showing you today we will link in the description box below. Free plans, all that stuff. So this is my mantle that I just built, and it's basically a floating shelf. For those of you that have built our floating shelves, I built it the exact same way. Whitney cam time. So you can see, guys, it's basically just a piece of wood, and then, well, it's actually several pieces of wood. It's actually a box made out of inexpensive wood, and then she's gone and added just a barnwood veneer to it. So you think the whole thing's this one slab of wood, but we tricked you. Coffee table ash. Whitney and I built this coffee table. It is actually called our 2-tool coffee table because we built it with 2 tools.
I forgot I helped you build that.
Yeah,
you're welcome.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
So we will also link to the free plans for that.
I love this finish. Look how cute this finish is, guys.
Little chalked paint with a little distress action there.
Yes.
Okay, and let's talk about couches. I get a lot of questions on these couches. These are Chesterfield leather couches that I actually found on Amazon. I think they were about
$600 a piece.
Yeah,
right around there.
$600 or $700 each, and I found they were the cheapest ones I could find, and they've held up for 4 years. I know everybody is so into like white couches right now, but like Whitney said, in a living room, we want it to be lived in. We have a lot of kids, and I don't want to be going behind them and cleaning up a white couch and making it look good. So we typically go with brown leather because it's easy to clean.
Yes, sadly, I will never have a white couch in my house. Moving on, this is one of my favorite pieces that Ashley built. And I think it's one of our most popular projects too, and it's the 3-leg console.
Triple pedestal console.
That's what I meant to say. So what's awesome about it is y'all can see Ashley doesn't have just a huge walkthrough here. So she wanted something that would take up space, but that also wouldn't block that walkway.
It's the perfect thing if you have a narrow space like she's saying. And it's actually, this piece is going to be at home stores in what, April maybe, I think it's
Something
supposed to
like
hit
that.
stores. So, but it's going to be white with a distress finish because we wanted to go that route with that piece.
Awesome. Moving on, right over here, this is the 2-tool console, am I right?
This is a 2-tool console table also. It might be 3 tools. No, it was 2 tools,
It was 2 tools, because it was the nailer and the saw.
Nailer and the saw, and it was like $60, I think, so we'll link to that too.
Seriously, this piece could be put in any room. It's amazing storage, it's inexpensive to build,
And it rolls.
And it rolls. See you later. So it is one, I would say it's a great beginner build, and so many of our readers have built it. And
I think I'm about to repaint it because I want it to be a gray color, and I look at it all the time and I'm like, that should be gray.
She'll just build a new table. Okay, moving on. Floating shelves. So these are absolutely gorgeous, guys. She just built these.
These are brand new.
I am in love with them.
Okay, so I have to tell you about this reclaimed wood. This is at Home Depot right now, and I just faced it. These are floating shelves, and I faced them with this reclaimed wood, but they come in packs, and it's actually made in the US, and it's a pack of barnwood that you can get at Home Depot, and I picked the colors that I liked, but they're 4 feet long, and they come in a box for like 21 bucks or something.
So you can see, guys, just a little veneer right there.
And then I used some cup hooks, and I got these guys at Hobby Lobby. They have the best hardware right now. So that was a little bit tricky, like getting them all on there, but
I noticed that the wall planks are new too.
Oh yeah, I did wall planks on the wall, and I've done the wall planks before in my dining room, but I distressed them and I wanted a really clean finish. So I used our penny spacer technique and just used 1/2-inch plywood, so it was super cheap to do both of these walls. And then we've also got this trunk. Whitney and I built this trunk.
We did.
Yeah. There's a YouTube video on it and free plans that we'll link.
Holds all the blankets, all the toys.
I want to open it.
It's awesome. Okay, she's gonna open it.
Sorry, I want to show you something. So we showed you this in the video, but well, there's all my tchotchkes. It's storing a lot of junk right now that I don't know where to put anywhere. But look,
It's got a little hinge on it that I got from Home Depot, and you can straighten it out and it stays open. Isn't that cool?
Safety, that's awesome.
Way to go, Ash. But I can put so much junk in there. Clearly I need to have a garage sale.
There you go. So we hope you guys enjoyed our room tour. Be sure to subscribe. You do not want to miss another one of these or see maybe our whole house.
We're gonna see hers next.
Bye guys.